Close your notebooks. Yeah. Now we are going to start an interesting lesson today. Okay? Very, very interesting. One second. Now, nothing have to observe the class. We are going to learn about food. Food for us. Just listen, and you'll have lovely pictures over here. Don't write anything. This is a class. Now, food for us. What types of food we eat every day, daily? And when do you eat food? If it was in a classroom, I'd have asked you a lot of questions to everybody. Now, if I ask, only you will have to answer and you'll tell, ma'am, I didn't get a chance. So I'm not going to ask you now. I'll ask you later. Now, what types of food we take when we are hungry? What type? Now, what is the main use of food? We need food to live. We need food to live. We need water to live, everything. So we need food to live. And see what you know about food. It is made up of nutrients. Now you know what is called nutrients. This will help us grow strong and healthy and energy to work and play to fight diseases. But I'll explain to you each one over here. Now, food is made up of nutrients. They make us grow. Food makes us grow. See, you're too small when you're born, but you eat good food, you drink mother's milk when you're small, then you will grow from a child, you will grow, you will become a boy or a girl. Now you are students, children. So little then we will see. Don't worry about the man and woman, all that. Now you are small children. You must be 7 years or 6 years or 8 years, whatever it may be. Now food makes us grow. If you don't eat food, that also good food, you will not grow. I know that all of you will be getting nice food from your home. Your mother cooks different types of food every time. We'll see to it now. Okay, now don't disturb the class. You just have a look at the class today, then we will have all discussions later. Food makes us strong and healthy. We eat different types of food. So each type, everything they have their own work. Now see here, some food makes us strong and healthy. Then you won't fall sick. You won't be ill. Now, food gives us energy to work and play. We have different types of food that will come back later. Now, food gives us energy to work and play. I have seen the small children, first standard, second standard, third standard. I feel they are too small, okay? They take after class when you were there last year, first standard, used to take some, eat some snacks and go for PT classes in the evening to do exercise, then go for yoga, then you will go for karate. help you nicely. That is, these food gives you energy to work and play. To play, you
Good
need
morning.
energy. See this? Good morning. Now you are coming and joining the class. Okay, don't disturb. So I have seen many children going for practice in the evening after 3:30. So these children will know what are the food they now. Food helps us to fight diseases. Now, if you eat healthy food,
Ma'am, we are not able to hear anything.
minute, 1 second.
Ma'am, we are not able to
Yes,
hear.
yes. Now it's coming. 1 minute. Okay, now food says grow. I think it's clear now. Yes, yes or no? Yes.
No.
Food makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. And they give us energy to work and play. I'll make you read later. Don't worry about it. We'll food gives us energy. Abhisha, turn your camera, please. Abhisha, then Abhisha. Thank you, Abhisha. Food gives us energy to work and play. And food helps us to fight disease and nothing to. Now we'll just see the next one. Next, have to eat food on time. For that, you have to get up early, at least about 6 o'clock. Then you have to brush your teeth. You must have your bath. Get ready. You must go for a walk or play a little while. And we have 3 meals a day, main food item. What do we eat? What do we eat in the afternoon? What do we eat in the evening? Late, not very late in the. Okay, there are meals, main food. You have just have a look at the table over here. Food on time. You have to eat everything on time. You not eat this and that. You keep a timetable. Draw a from today time you eat breakfast and you can have little snacks or juice or something. Then you will have your lunch in the afternoon. Evening again, tea or juice and little snacks like biscuits or something like that. Last one is dinner. Yes, we will see the first one. Just see. 1 minute. Breakfast. This is what we eat in the morning. Breakfast. Breakfast. That is the meal we eat early in the morning. Not early in the morning, means 6 and all that. Around 7:30, because you have to get ready for the school by 8. So you have breakfast in the morning. Breakfast is the meal. MEAL. Don't worry. about the spellings we will teach you on special class days. Okay, we are going to teach you handwriting and the spellings of all these difficult words. Breakfast is the meal we eat early in the morning, just in the morning. It is the most important meal of the day. You cannot skip breakfast and come to school, children. Most of the time, some children used to tell, Ma'am, I got stomach ache, I want to vomit, I'm feeling faintish. Why? Because you are just skipping the breakfast and coming. And you must have nice breakfast in the morning. Just see only one item. I think all like puri masala. Even I like. Okay. Now see the items you eat. Sorry. Yes, breakfast food. Now see the first one, idli, sambar. Idli, sambar. You eat idli, dosa with sambar. See the second one, dosa with chutney, sambar. Two types of chutney, three types of chutney. Some children will
Ma'am,
be talking now. Just listen, children. Now, some children use ghee, sugar. That's according to your taste. Okay, you may like this and that. You can and see the lovely, delicious pongal over there. Pongal, most of you make pongal and bring it to school to have lunch and all that. But when it's cooked at once, you have to eat pongal and see upma. There are many variety of food. Okay, you may have noodles, chapati, all that. I have just shown a little. Yeah, only four kinds, including puri masala. Five. Now let's go to the next one. Those so you know what type of breakfast you have. Clear, children. You know now what type of breakfast, and you must tell your mother to give you these kind of food. So you will have nice strength. You eat two slices of bread with jam. You may like it, but you won't be able to sit till afternoon. Okay? Parents, don't get angry with me. You can feed them nicely. Now they are with you. Okay? Now, next one. See, lovely rice. And I prefer you to have rice in the afternoon. You can have variety rice, but it's better to have rice so that it will fill your stomach and it will make you stay till 3:30 if you have school. Now also it's compulsory you have to eat rice in the afternoon. Lunch is the meal, food we eat in the afternoon. Lunch is the meal. You just listen, then I'll ask you a question next class on Monday. Because if I ask you questions, all will be screaming this and that, then others will be disturbed. Now just have a look at this. Lunch is the meal we eat in the afternoon. See the picture over there? Lovely white rice. They did not add anything to that. You have to add some gravy, sambar, rasam, then some puri, all that vegetable. Then it will be very, very tasty. Healthy lunch helps us grow and stay healthy. I told you first itself. When your stomach is full, you will be ready to study, you will be ready to play, work, and do anything. Now let's see the next one. Lunch. What will you eat with your rice in the afternoon? Some children will have chapatis, noodles, all that, different burger, all that. Now just for the lunch, what chicken curry, mutton curry, fish curry, sambar. But when you come to school, very hard for you to bring all this because when you make non-veg items, you have to you have to eat it when it's cooked. Okay? At once you have to eat it. You cannot eat when it's cool. No. Chicken curry, mutton curry, fish curry. Then you take sambar with lunch. Next. See the variety rice, my goodness. Variety rice. I used to see the variety rice children bring to school because I don't know how to make all this. Lovely rice you bring and you won't find enough time to eat. You will open the lunch box and you'll play around. Hereafter, you should not do that. How much trouble your parents are making to get this rice and to cook this. And see, curd rice, delicious curd rice, lemon rice, second one, line, coconut rice, tamarind rice, carrot rice, beetroot rice. All these, at least once in a week, you have to make. Not the plain rice, you can have variety rice like this. Then no need of any gravy, anything. You can just eat it. Clear, children? Yes. Now variety rice, curd rice, lemon rice, coconut rice, tamarind rice, carrot rice, beetroot rice. Now we'll just see the next one. We'll go back to this again. Don't worry. Now dinner. We have in the evening. It's not necessary for you to have your rice. Some children will eat rice in the evening. It's not very late, around 6, 7 to in between 7 and 8. Dinner is the meal we eat in the evening, late in the evening. Not 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, around 7, 8, like that.
My friend, one of my friend eats rice sometimes
Very,
night.
very good. Now see, now all will be waiting to talk. Talk to me, okay? Don't talk now. I'll give you time. Now chapati is made and kept nicely over there for dinner. Let's see. Hi. Parota, noodles, naan. These things you eat in the afternoon, but it's better to have your rice in the afternoon. Paneer masala with lovely naan over there. Chana masala, green paste. With chapati, you can take all this. Parota, the noodles, lovely noodles with tomato sauce and all that. See the butter naan and all these things. You know that I'm sure that you'll be eating all this. So no need to explain.
Vegetable noodles is healthy for.
Yeah, vegetable noodles. Some will like non-veg.
Noodles, ma'am.
Yes, I know you like. I'll just ask you some questions after this. Okay, just see, just look at the picture. In your mind, you try to read parota. Noodles. Yes. Parota. Very good. Mummy will make for you. Naan. Yeah. Paneer masala. Chana masala. Yes. Yes, children.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
I like paneer masala.
Very good. Tell your mummy to make, okay?
Ma'am, I like pasta.
Yeah, that and all, it's not very good, but okay, once in a while you can have. And when you make paneer masala, the one who said, I'll come to your house, okay? Yeah, good. Yes, yes, tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Paneer
Okay, okay now. Yes, I'll come back to you. Very good. Now all are worried about the food. Okay, now parota, noodles. I'll come back to all this now. Wait. Noodles, naan, paneer masala, chana masala. All masala is the same. Okay, now. Okay, let's do that. Now, don't worry about it. Don't worry about this. I'll tell you. Now, children, I want to tell you something. Children, just listen to me, okay? Now, wait. I'm not going to give you this now. We'll go back to the first one. Yeah, we'll just go back. Now, I'll ask you some questions. You must help me. Now, 1 minute. Now, get ready now. I'll tell you. I'll take the names now. Yes. Morning, some children did not answer even yesterday. I just want to know. Taranish, are you there, Taranish?
Right?
No, nothing to write. Nothing to write. Taranish, are you there, Taranish? Taranish? No. Savita? Same children. Okay, never mind. Sehan? No. Ritun? Ritun, are you there? Now, Jeff? Jeff? I think Jeff is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Jeff. Now, 4 pictures are given here, Jeff. Okay, 4 pictures. And the
Okay,
names are written down. And I just want to know, which one do you like the most? Which food?
Dosa.
Dosa. Very good, Jeff. Like that. And it's just tell me the spelling of dosa over here.
DOSA.
Very good. See, children, or sit down. 1 minute. Now, how? Virti, just now Jeff answered like that. When I call each one's name, you must. Children, I know that you all got chances before, so I'll have to ask other children. Okay, wait. I'll ask you later. Now, Jeff finished telling he likes dosa. So, like that, when I call your name, you must tell. Yes, Pongal. Even ma'am likes. Now, I want Logesh. Logesh. Only Logesh. Okay, good. Virti, turn off your phone. I'll give you a chance. Now, I want Logesh. Logesh, are you there? Logesh? No answer. Yes. Pritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Pritika. Now,
Good morning, ma'am.
now, 1 minute, not this one. Now, I just want you to see the different types of curry over here. Read the first one, Pritika. First one. Chicken. What is it? Pritika? Are you there, Pritika? No answer.
Chicken
Yes,
curry.
very good. Now read the next one.
Mutton
Mutton
curry.
Read. Enough. Only 2 answers from you. Very good. Now, next question. Don't worry about reading or anything. We'll teach you.
Fish curry.
Now, I want Samantha. Samantha, are you there? Samantha? Yes? Yes, Samantha. Now, I just want you to tell me, out of the 4 variety of curry, now just tell me which one you like. Which one you like? Out of this chicken curry, fish curry, mutton curry, sambar. Which one you like? Tell me which one do you like? Which one? Chicken curry. Okay, very good. Now, Israel, now not this. Israel, just see the variety rice. Israel, only Israel must answer. Now tell me. Yes, are you there, Israel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, only you must answer, okay? Now, variety rice, that means different kinds of rice.
Ma'am, I like fried rice.
You like fried rice,
Ma'am,
that's
I
not,
like
never mind.
sweet
Yes,
rice.
out of this 6.
Curd rice, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, I finished asking you the question.
Rice.
Yes, Sanjit, are you there, Sanjit?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, which one you like the best? Here, among all these rice.
Carrot rice, ma'am.
Carrot, very good. That's very good for your health. Very good, Sanjit. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
very good. Manu. Yes, Manu. Yesterday, Manu was telling that in us. Manu, are you there? No. Yes?
No, I didn't.
Now, Now 1 minute.
I like
1 minute.
right, ma'am.
Who's that?
Sri Mugilan, ma'am.
Did I ask you, Sri Mukilan? You see, Mukilan, I will ask you questions, okay? Not today, next class. Now, I have to give others a chance. Now, I want uh, Jasiel. He was not there. Jasiel, are you there?
Ma'am,
No. Yes, Jasiel? Very good. Now,
ma'am,
see yes, who's that?
ma'am,
Jasiel.
ma'am.
Okay, good, Jasiel. Good morning. Now, see the food items. Dinner. What kind of food you like the best? Just tell me from the given gravy you're going to eat. Which part?
Brother,
Your parota. Parota, yes. Parota with chicken curry, paneer masala, all that. Very good. Now we'll stop asking the questions because I have to give you some instructions. Okay. Now you have
thank you,
breakfast.
ma'am.
Okay, good children. Now wait. Nothing, it's not over. Just now, no need to write. Just look at the worksheet here. We'll send it to you. Just have a look. Don't write anything now. Don't write anything. I want to give you some instructions. Parents, just listen because they have 2 days. Now, I gave you the previous one, only the parts of the plant and its uses you have to write. The last one. It's written the above exercise means no need for you to write fill in the blanks. No need to write the table given with herbs and all that. Then no need to do that. What is that classification of plant parts of the plant? Only the uses of every part what is given last. That you have to copy in your EVS classwork. Now listen to this. Now you have 3 days: Friday, Saturday, Sunday. See the EVS worksheet 3 homework. Don't worry, I'll tell you what to do. What do plants need to grow? Plants need air, water, sunlight, soil. Now draw and color. Don't worry. Just see here. Air. See how it's going air. You can do your own drawing. It's general. Is it clear? But those who don't know how to draw, just I'm helping you. See water. See water. Because you don't have any picture, you don't have your textbook. I'm just helping you to do it. If you do it, it will be easy for me to teach you. Now see the sunlight. You can draw better sun. No problem. Air, water, sunlight. Because you can't do within this 30 minutes all this, it will be untidy. So I want you to take your own time and draw neatly and color it. And see the soil just below the ground. You just, it's shown there. Okay. And see the colors. You can, even soil you can color brown. Okay. You just say, are you clear about it? And see, this should be done on one page, a new page. This should be done in one page. Now see the next exercise. No, now, no. It's in your classwork. EVS worksheet means that you have to draw. You are not going to do anything extra. No worksheet like papers for you. It should be done in your class work note. Now see.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
see. Okay, one page. You have to write this in one page. You just divide the space and do it neatly. Left side you write this, right side that one. Now see the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Match the following. That's one page. Next page, you just see, don't worry. Creepers, climbers, small plants, smaller plants, big plants. Now you know what are creepers. You have to write the answers. Okay, just creepers. Already you know, notes are given. Creepers, they grow along the ground. See here, this is the way you have to do. Okay, I want you to have this in your notebook. Creepers grow along the ground. A means just write A. Next one, climbers. See they need support to grow. They need support to grow. You have to
Ma'am,
read.
we want to write.
Yes, not now. In a new page. Second one, one page. Not now. after class, Saturday or Sunday. We'll send this. Now, see, small plants. Now, one of you tell me what are small plants out of herbs, trees, and shrubs? First one answer. Let me see who's telling first.
Herbs.
Small plants.
Herbs.
Smaller plant is there?
Shrubs.
Yes, shrub. Very good. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Very good. Yes. Very good. Thank you. Shrubs. Small plant. Now, smaller plants. Smaller plants. First answer I will. Plants. Smaller plants. Who's telling? Herbs. Very good. Very good. Now, chorus answer. What to do? Never mind. Never mind. Now, quiet. Now, quiet. Now, quiet. Quiet. All must be quiet. Now, quiet. Please. Please. Big plants. Big plants. Tell me the answer. Very good. Now, you all know the answers. You all know the answers. So, I was wondering, how will I teach all this? Now, you know the answers. You can copy the same table. Now, see the next one. Children, now we must know the next page. All should be in different page. Okay, class, please listen to the instruction. Roman number 3, Roman number 1 in one page, Roman number 2, Roman number 3. You can write slowly, neatly, because all this we finished taking. What do plants give us? Plants give us different things. Now I want you to write. It's general question, but I'll just give you one small answer. It's not necessary for you to write what I give you. Plants give us food, fibers, wood. Not now, listen. Paper, rubber, gum, oil. Many, all are talking. That's why I'm not asking you in chorus. Now just listen to this. You can write your own answers. It's not necessary. I just want you to get the spelling now. What do plants give us? You take a new page and you can write. So you have 3 pages now. 3 pages. 3 pages. Okay, children? You can listen to me. Just learn the spellings. For that only I'm given. Now, see, wood, paper, rubber, gum. Okay. Now these things.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Yes, you have to do the first one in one page. Roman number 2, homework it's given. Third, what do plants give us? You just try to write this. Let me see how many of you are able to write. Okay, you don't write the third one fully. Only write 3 or 4 items. Okay? Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Now, I don't think you have again one more class.
Class.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, all of you listen to me. Thank you, children. Now you yes, thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Bye,
Now listen to me.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Now listen to me. Listen. Now, no class again. 1 minute. Now listen. You have to. All must be attentive.